I'm thinking he's going to advance to the next round.
I'm thinking you're probably right. I mean, it's not like he's won the last 4 years or anything. He is certainly not being constructive running by himself. The aggression that he took that turn with, it was just spectacular to me.
Well, you've got 1,500 horsepower under your foot, and you've got to kind of baby it a little bit, or that thing's going to spin out in a heartbeat.
A great run, whether he had an opponent or not. That was just a great run by Bigfoot.
So Bigfoot advances to round number 2. He is undefeated for how many years in a row?
This will be the 5th.
Wow.
And you know, Hook is out, so
right.
That they were a 2-time freestyle championship, so we're just going to mix up our freestyle coming up in a little bit.
Absolutely. So that will conclude round number 1 of Monster Truck Racing here at Beef O'Brady's Monster Truck Madness at Bristol Motor Speedway. So we'll give the teams and drivers a couple of minutes to cool and fuel and get ready for the next round. Semifinals will be coming up very shortly. We'll complete the racing program before the freestyle. That will be the grand finale of the evening, and I hear engines firing behind me. What could that possibly be?
Are you all going to let them rumble at you like that? Give me the rumble! Let's hear the thunder, Bristol. There it is.
With him yesterday. That was an experience. That was fun.
Running around the outside. Now, of course, for those of you that don't know what drifting is, you want to intentionally oversteer the car to get it out of the slide and make the smoke show that we're seeing Mr. Lynch do here. Oh, a little bit of a spin.
Yeah, he planned to do that, right?
Oh yeah, that's part of the show. It's called a 360 entry. That's what that is. Up next we got Brian Schiraldi from Nashville.
I've heard this called controlling an out of control car.
It's as close to it as you're going to get.
Yeah.
Looking at in here in the final corner. And we got Justin Bauer here from Durham, North Carolina. Now Justin finished 3rd in our first round of East End Drift Throwing. Last one at T-Max, which will actually be running on the 2 here.
Right here on Bristol Motor Speedway property.
Yes, sir. Right outside, over here in the north property. And last but not least, we got Michael Wallace out of Virginia here. Corner through that sweeper, getting ready for the transition. What do you guys think of all this smoke? Let's hear it for him.
That was a nice run.
Oh yeah.
I like the brake lights on the front, by the way.
Right, yeah, we gotta know when they're braking. But here's the fun part. This is what we call a tandem. To each other and run as tight as they can through the corner.
We've seen these guys
Matt's really trying with that 360 entry. He's trying to nail it. Next up, we're we got shot on the back stretch. Use this opportunity to catch up here and try to build a little bit of proximity to that road.
So how much throttle are we using? How much hammer down are we?
It can be anywhere from come on. Come on, that's not loud enough. That's not loud enough. Let's hear it one more time. Who wants to hear a good trick? All right, that's better. Let's send them, guys. Let's go. All right, now what I want you guys to do, everybody take out your phones, turn on your flashlights, wave them around. Let's get these drivers pumped up. Now, if you want to see this action in competition form again 2 weeks from today, we'll be right back here at Bristol Motor Speedway, rounds 2 and 3, East End Drift Pro-Am, Formula Drift Championship Series. We're trying to earn their pro license, get up there in the big leagues with the big dogs.
East End Drift, you guys have really grown over the last 5-6 years. You really have.
Absolutely. Yeah, we've been around for about 7 years, and this is the gnarliest one yet. Here we go, drift train! Away those dogs around!
Exactly.
Absolutely, yeah, and these drivers, they love coming out here. Thank you guys so much for having us. We're going to be back here in just a little bit, like our other host said.